All right, guys. Now that I've got everything changed out, I wanted to give y'all just a real quick overview of the two different things that I did to make this rig loadout work. And so this is the Crye Precision jpc 2.0. And one of the challenges that I have had kind of looking online was just guys that were actually giving really good videos of how to install the piggyback setup for your flat pack, the Haley Strategic flat pack, onto rigs that don't necessarily have kind of the ergonomics and the framework to be able to make that happen right. And so one of the things that Haley Strategic has is the adapter kit for the piggyback setup, or the flat pack piggyback straps, and changing those out. So here's my old straps off of the flat pack. It's not the 2.0 flat pack. And here was the adapter kit that was black, and I was able to take all of my old buckles and change them off of this little setup right here that I'm going to show you, so that it actually stayed pretty uniform in color. And my original thought was I was going to spray paint all of this and then spray paint the buckles, but I had additional buckles and then used off of the old ones that I was able to make work. And so it turned out great. The color doesn't bother me at all, and I'm gonna go from there. So one of the important things that I did not see in any of the videos, and I'm gonna try to show you right here, is as you have this female buckle going into the male buckle, this little additional strap, this adapter kit right here, has this strap that flows through underneath my molly right here, connects to the top of that female buckle, goes underneath, and you weave it into this portion of the female buckle right here. And so now you have it wrapped over that molly. You can attach this, you can buckle this male piece into the female piece. And this is off of my D3 micro rig from Haley Strategic. So this all fits in. That additional black strap connects to the new male piece that I changed out from, again, all these old black adapter kits that I just ordered, and removed my old strap off of the flat pack, put in the new piggyback strap, and then that just buckled right in. And so for the back side, you can see that I have this strap attached to the back. This is the original strap that goes with the flat pack, connecting right over here to this female buckle and off of that bottom base strap. And so, yes, there's a lot going on right here with the Crye, this pretty much naked webbing for the molly side, and then all of this additional up here. But once you get it on, it's very, very clean. There's not a lot of pieces moving all around and stuff going all over the place that gets up in your way. And so it seems like it whenever you just got it kind of sitting off like this, but honestly, it works fine. I'm not a big fan of all these buckles. That's why I am going to be upgrading to, I've been waiting forever for the thorax to come back out in in multicam. And so once it does, then I'll go ahead and purchase that one so that I can have two separate rigs. And also the functionality of having really, really clean straps, wires, and again, one of the things that the thorax just sets the industry standard on, I think, is having no cables just flopping all over the place. It consolidates your cables really, really well and makes everything super nice. And so really thankful that I got all this done. I tried it on a little while ago. Looks great. Love it. Fits perfect. And looking forward to running it in the field. Secondly, on my gray setup, I showed you guys, I just took off, all I did was I took off those X straps and attached my new flat pack, the gray flat pack, on here, put my shoulder straps on there, and then ran it to the side. And so it is a very, very simple setup. It takes a little bit to kind of weave it through the shoulder strap, but overall, once you get it on there, it's very clean, very crisp. You make a couple strap adjustments, tighten it up. You can kind of determine which one you want it on, And you can also get additional straps if you want to go from this buckle to there. I kind of like it nice and clean. I just have one strap. It's nice and tight at the top. It holds it snug to me, and moved around with it a good bit. No problems at all. And so, again, forgive me, guys. I'm kind of working one-handed here, but you can do that bottom strap if you want. There's honestly nothing wrong with that. I prefer to have less is more to me, more streamlined. It allows me to be able to have less things I got to unbuckle, less things I have to move around. But again, you just strap that back on there. But again, that for me worked out really well. And so, oh, I need to adjust that one to the top. And so, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's kind of where I'm at. And looking forward to making a few updates, showing you guys how it runs. And yeah, running the rig. All right, guys. Later.